Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Postmark'd Studio's card subscription box. So this is an awesome subscription if you write mail and send cards and enjoy that whole traditional style of just communicating. This is, okay, so each month you get curated cards. I think there's 4+. There's always just so much in this box. Postage and an artsy doodad. It's $25 plus $5 shipping. It's an incredible, incredible subscription box. That's all I wrote down because I think that it speaks for itself. They're really aesthetically pleasing and well put together assortments. So you pop it open. They're just so cute. Like last month it was ice cream. You get this little, ooh, it's celestial looking. Uh-oh, guys. That celestial is all over the place. I just love it. All right, so it says Postmark'd Studio. Thank your lucky stars for your letter writing superpower. Share it always, Anne. So there's that. Here's what it looks like. And then we have these, the inserts are really nice. They tell you where the cards come from. And it's just so nice. And then on the back, there's always like facts or something really cute. Like how to write a fan letter. Keep it short and simple. Introduce yourself. Mention your favorite book, movie, or show of theirs. Ask them for an autograph. Thank them and wish them well. Need a star address? Check out fanmail.biz. So I thought that was really cute because of the star theme. All right. So it all comes like this. How gorgeous is this? How gorgeous is this? So we get a pencil and it says Postmark'd Studio. And then right here underneath we have a whole bunch. Ooh, look at these. These are Japanese. They're from Marco. They are glitter pencils, it looks like, or some sort of an iridescent pencil. Isn't that neat? Now, if you're interested in the full review and a price breakdown, I'm going to put that in my blog. I will go to each of the letterpress companies because it is an amalgamation of letterpress companies, and I will put their link, and I will also put the price of each cards because these assortments always come out to be well over the price of this box. It is really great. And so I'm going to look these up and find these and find out more about them because there's not much English on here to go by. All right, but I could look on here as well. A set of 6 metallic colored pencils with sharpener included because it is a little larger than a normal. All right, so all right, so it has this cute, it's like a postcard. We have postage. And they're all like, there's Sally Ride right there. So I'm guessing they're all going to be like celestial or astronaut themed, which is really cute. We have a patch from Lucky Horse Press that says Far Out. This is actually so cool. Ooh, I love it. Isn't it neat? Ooh. Big Wheel Press logbook bound with the finest quality Strathmore writing papers. Isn't this neat? Make your mark on the world. 32 pages, a personal notebook. And it's got a moon on it. Isn't that cool? I love that. And then all the cards are blank inside, so you can write whatever you want. So this first one is the Aurora Borealis. This is actually a postcard. Each box comes with a postcard. This is from Authentic Company, Authentic Cards. It's made in Germany. So that is gorgeous. It's holographic. How neat is that? Then we've got You're So Stellar. This is from, I love the rose gold. Ooh, this is from Wild Ink Press. And then there's Thinking of You. I love these. I think this is so cool. It's such a great way to get a good mixture of cards. And then you have them on hand for when you want to write somebody a note, drop a line. So there's that one. Then it's Mountains of Thanks, and also in rose gold, which is really pretty. This is from Hello Lucky Letterpress. And then finally we have When It Rains, Look for Rainbows. When It's Dark, Look for Stars. Another rose gold. Gorgeous. This is probably my favorite. I just love the way it looks. This is from Ginger P Designs, folded card, blank inside. If you're interested in the full review, I'm going to link to that below. Love this box. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.